A double crochet two together is a type of decrease that's going to combine these next two stitches into one stitch. So it starts out like a standard double crochet. You wrap around, stick in the first stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through two, but here you're going to stop. We're not going to finish that double crochet just yet. Now we're going to repeat that in the next stitch. Yarn over, insert in the next stitch, wrap and pull through, wrap and pull through two. Now at this point we have 3 loops on our hook. To finish off this decrease, we're going to wrap around and pull through all 3 of those loops. And what that does is that gives us kind of 2 double crochet legs going into each of those 2 stitches, but we've joined them together at the top into a decrease, so we only have the 1 stitch at the top.